Before starting the design of circular water tank, we discuss about some important formulas for design of circular water tank. Here is some formulas, important formulas. Due to the flexible joint at the base, the wall is subjected to a hook tension. Hook tension at any depth. Hook tension can be calculated by our formula. Hook tension at any depth, meter below the top is given by the formula. Capital T is equal to 1 by 2 into W into small h into capital T. It will be maximum at the base of the wall is given by capital T is equal to 1 by 2 into W into capital H into capital D. The area of a hook reinforcement per meter height at the base of wall is given by the formula ASP is equal to capital T by sigma S, where D is the diameter of the tank, H is the height of the tank, T is the maximum hook tension, W is the weight of the water in kilonewton per meter cube. Generally, the value of a W weight of water is 9.81, but we take the approximate 10. And sigma S is the permissible stress ST in a direct tension. For thickness of a wall, there are three. First one is the permissible limit. Sigma Ct is equal to capital T by small t multiplied by 1000 plus jump minus 1 AT, where the sigma Ct is the permissible tensile stress, A is the area of a concrete, AT is the area of a steel, T is the small t is the thickness of the wall, and M is the modular ratio. M is the modular ratio. So the value of the modular ratio from IS 456-2000, page number 80 and table number 21. Here we can see the one formula M is equal to 280 divided by 3 into sigma Cv. This formula at annexure B 2.1.2 T at IS 456-2000, page number 80 and table number 21. Again, second way, thickness of the wall can be calculated by empirical formula. Small t is equal to 30 multiplied by capital H plus 50. H is the height of a tank, height of a water tank. And third way to calculate the thickness of the wall is not less than 150 mm. Means the minimum wall thickness provided for circular water tank is 150 mm, not less than 150 mm. And here one concept for design of circular water tank is the important concept for design of water tank. Hook trace. In circular water tank, what is meant by hook trace? Hook trace is also known as circumferential stress. Hook trace is known as a circumferential stress, and this hook trace acts along the circumference of the spherical object.